right, so which one is this one?
Mean.
How do we know it's a mean?
It has mean.
It has the word mean.
And a standard deviation.
And standard deviation, yeah.
And a
totally.
sample.
It has mean.
What is the mean?
It has mean.
What is the mean?
40 points.
What is the mean?
So what happened to my...
What does the mean mean?
It has the mean, it has the standard deviation, it's got all that. I just broke my computer. Alright, so we have the mean, we have the standard deviation. Hold on a second.
That's annoying.
Yes, it is. I need to give it more air. Covered a lot today. Look at how much we covered today.
Impressive.
Yeah, it is impressive.
Let's go.
Okay. So it has a... Oh no, we lost a few things. Oh no, we lost Jason's pretty picture.
Want to see another picture?
It's okay, we got it back. I can put it back in there.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, good. So here, we're here. I'm going to take a picture of that real quick. So as you said, we have a mean. We also have a standard deviation. We should have both of those. Average is another word for mean. So this is absolutely a mean. This is a test, and it's a mean, which means it's going to be t-test, right? Mean Mr. T, t-test. So first, state the hypotheses and identify the claim. What was his claim? He claims that what? Yeah, that their oxygen uptake is greater than the average. Does everyone kind of see that? So his claim is that their oxygen uptake, their mean, is greater than the average. What's the average?
36.
Yep, average is 36.7. What's my H naught? H naught's always equals. So mu equals, remember this number from the claim, that's my mu naught, 36.7. Is that my claim?
No.
Nope, so then H1 has to become my claim. Then I'm going to write down alpha. What's my alpha? 0.05. Done with step 2. That was easy. Step 3. Find the p-value. Oh, and also they wrote down the claim next to it. Right, so then this one's my claim. So I'm going to be using which word in step 5?
Support.
Support, exactly. H1, if H1's my claim, I'm going to use the word support later on. So next I'm going to find my p-value. So I'm going to do a stat test, t-test of my, I think it's going to be my x bar stat test t-test of, I'm going to have my mu naught x s n. Mu naught is from my claim, 36.7. X is from my sample. And again, my sample is right here. So it's going to be 40.6. My S is 6. My N is 15. And my claim is greater than. So I'm going to pop all that into my calculator. 36.7, 40.6, 6, 15 people, and greater than, all the way at the end, greater than. And I get a p-value of 0.0123. Okay, seems reasonable. Step 4, I can compare my p-value, 0.0123 to alpha. Alpha is 0.05. I'm going to give it 2 more decimal places so it matches up. And alpha is totally bigger. It's less than alpha. It's unusual, right? Is everyone kind of with me? If it's less equal to or less than alpha, it's unusual. So I'm going to reject the null hypothesis. So I should not be getting unusual things. The null hypothesis must be at fault. It must be wrong. So which means that if I reject H naught, do I have enough evidence or not enough evidence?
Enough evidence.
Nah.
Yep, enough evidence. And again, this comes from this guy right here to blank the claim. What was my claim? That joggers have bigger lung capacity. You can paraphrase it. If you don't know how to paraphrase it, you can just write it all out. That's okay too. All right, so am I going to reject, is there enough evidence to reject the claim that they have bigger lung capacity, or am I supporting the claim they have bigger lung capacity? Which one is it?
Support.
Yeah. They have a lung capacity of 40.6 versus 36.7. They definitely have enough. So I have enough evidence to, this supports my claim that they have a bigger lung capacity. So again, that's when H1 is your claim, support is the word that makes sense here. From the claim. Okay, everyone feeling okay with this? Ready to do one of your own? Here it is a little prettier. You want that? Do lab problem number 3. So lab problem number 3 looks like that. All right, let's take a look. So first of all, what kind of problem is it? It's a test, right? Because we have conclusion that something differs. So it's definitely a test, but is it a proportion or a mean?
Mean.
How do you know it's a mean?
That's average.
Yeah, it has average.
And mean in it.
And standard deviation. Everyone see those?
Yes.
So this is a mean. Okay, so then I need to find my claim. Where's my claim? My claim is what?
Differs from the national average.
Concluded that it differs from the national average. So they're claiming that their web usage, their mu, differs. What's the symbol for differs?
Is
Less.
not less.
So if I'm different from you, my score is different than yours. How could it be different than yours?
So not.
It could be less than yours, or it could be greater than yours. Either one. Is everyone kind of following what I'm saying? If I'm different than you, I could be less than you, or I could be greater than you. Either one. So that would be what?
Not equal.
Not equal to. So everybody kind of following that? So it could be less than or greater than, either one. So my mean is not equal to, what's everybody else's mean?
32.
Yep. Indicated a monthly average of 36. The rest of this is the sample. So this part here, random sample of, this is all my sample. Does everyone see that? Has the word sample in there? So that means that this is my X bar, and this is my S. So I'm just going to write out all the pieces I've got. My mu naught is 36. It's from my claim. My X bar is 24, and my S is 5.3. Oh, sorry, that's not my, oh, this is not my X bar. Sample of 24, no one stopped me.
It would be 42.
This is all totally wrong. My sample of, that's my,
42.1.
sample of is my n.
Yeah.
So my n is 24. Sample mean, the word mean, is my 42.1, and my s is
5.3.
5.3. Were you guys going to stop me at some point?
Yeah.
Yes.
You're just trying to find the right spot? Okay, good, good. I have to make more mistakes and like test you folks and see how quickly you can stop me. Okay. Great. And then I have a 0.0 significance level. So my significance level is the same thing as alpha.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone hear that?
Yes.
Alpha is your significance level. So my alpha is 0.01. All right, so then I just want to go through the first two steps. First step, H naught is mu is equal to 36. That is not my claim. My claim is
H1.
not equal to, so then that means H1 is my claim. Mu is not equal to 36. That's my claim.
Support.
Yep, support, exactly. Step 2, write down alpha. What's my alpha?
0.01.
Great. Step 3,
T-test.
we're gonna do a t-test. So should I give folks a couple more minutes to finish out 3, 4, and 5? Yeah, that's a great question. My claim is that it differs. If I'm different than you, that means I'm not equal to you. So my claim is going to be H1. Right? If it differs, if I'd said he claims that it's the same as the national average, then my claim would be H naught. Because my claim is that I'm different, my claim is H1. Yeah, good question. Thanks. That's a great, thanks for catching that. So again, did people catch that?
Yep.
If my claim was that I'm the same as the national average, then my claim would be H naught. So it doesn't have to do with whether H1 is not equal to. It has to do with which one's my claim.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why people get confused sometimes. Thank you for pointing that out. That's happened often. All right, so then my t-test is going to be of my mu naught, 36, comma, my x bar, 42.1, comma, my s, 5.3, comma, my n, 24, comma, my claim, not equal to. What did everybody get for their p-value?
That's 0.0000971.
How many zeros?
6 0.
6, like that? Or one more?
One more.
That's 5.
7, 1?
Yes.
Okay, great.
No, 971.
9, 7, 1.
971.
All right, that is definitely, I think we can all agree that is totally less than alpha. Do I even need to write down the numbers? Are we totally good that that's less than alpha?
Yeah.
So then step 5, we definitely have enough evidence to support the claim, because H1 is my claim, that that web usage differs Okay. Good, good. Okay, well there it is. We're out of here 2 minutes early.
One lesson.